Hey, patrol members. You're seeing this video on an unusual day. You're going to see it on a Monday because I want you to understand the new format I'm using for some videos, the travelogue videos. I have a lot of respect for the people who do this all the time because it's a lot of work. Not so much the editing. For me, the editing is the easiest part. But loading up your vehicle, driving to the location, getting out, filming videos, getting back in your vehicle, driving to the next location, filming a video, in and out, here and there, to and fro. It's a lot of work. And it's a lot of fuel. And it can be a lot of expense. Now I can see why some of these people sleep in their vehicles. Because it would cost too much to stay in hotels all the time, unless you absolutely have to. So, I'm trying to smooth out the voiceovers. That's the hardest part of the editing, is the voiceover. And believe it or not, I'm not reading. I tried reading, and it sounds worse. So I have to basically read the lines, commit them partially to memory as best I can, and then repeat them in the voiceover. And that, like I said, that's a lot of work. I used to trod the boards in the way back when. And for those of you who are in the know, you know what I mean. So, I'm no novice to learning to read lines. No whiskey. This is just a short little video to talk about making the videos that I'm making. And I have another Raji's Untimely Demise here. It's my last one. But like I said, there's a learning curve. It's going to take a little while to get used to doing it. And I'm going to ask you guys to stick with it until I get it perfected. I got some questions from people about the memorial video. Why, when we did the firing squad, the 21 gun salute, you couldn't hear the rifles. The wind was blowing very hard. I had to try to edit the clip around the music so you could hear the music and hear the voices. So that required me to use a software in the editing process that would diminish the sharp sounds and the wind sounds. So that's why you didn't really hear the guns go off. Also, they were all 22s, which weren't necessarily a loud firearm, and were facing away from the camera in the wind. So that's why you didn't hear a lot of bang, you know. It just wasn't feasible to get that loud gunfire sound. And if you'll notice in the other part of the video, when I was shooting handguns, that's kind of muted also because the camera has built-in software that protects the microphone and everything. And that's just the way it is. You know? Anyway, please watch this Wednesday for the video. I hope you like it. I talk a little bit about George Adamski, and I think I'm going to do a lot of research on this guy, and in October, when I do my Tales and Mysteries of the Mojave Patrol and do spooky videos, I'm going to do a more in-depth video about this gentleman. Because I think he's an interesting person. I honestly believe he believed what he was doing. He may have stepped over the line into the realm of charlatan to prove his point. But I don't think he intentionally did it to befuddle people or to cheat people. I honestly believe that he believed what happened, but he had no concrete evidence, and he had to kind of fudge it to make it more believable. Because once you started getting a lot of attention, it's hard to do without that attention, I think. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. You know? Anyway, until next time. Later, Mater.